TZM. For over 15 years, we have been an important software partner alongside the leading medical device manufacturers. We develop solutions that make the communication between medical devices possible. Hardly anyone knows the communication protocols of these devices better than TZM. With Universal Medical Gateway, we have developed a unique and pioneering innovation. UMG stands for a revolution in medical device connectivity. With UMG, devices from different manufacturers can communicate with each other by simply connecting them. The special feature? The connected devices do not have to be adjusted separately. With UMG, projects can be realized today that have previously failed because of the missing compatibility of the devices. There are no comparable systems on the market. In a specific application, UMG queries the data of a ventilator. UMG processes this data and forwards it to a software that is used for early detection in patients. The physician now gets an even more detailed patient image and can, for example, initiate preventive measures. Clinical processes are thus optimized and the patient care improved. Our employees of TZM are in demand as experts in medical technology throughout Europe and America. With its independent solution in the field of medical device networking, TZM occupies a key position in the increasingly important digitalization. In this way, we make a significant contribution to optimizing the healthcare system.